Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make rotate a widget inside the Flutter application. So Flutter provided two different types of widgets to make rotate a widget. In that, one is the rotational transition widget and other one is the rotated box. So the rotation transition, the widget is taking the animations to make the widget rotation with an applying the animations. So this has one method is turns. So how much turn we have to make the for the widget. So in this video we are covering the rotate the widget with the rotated box. So the rotated box is also similar to the rotation transition, but it takes the types of rotation counts. Like if we make it is it has a property quarantine turns. So if we apply the value is 1, then it will be rotate to 90 degrees. If we make it is 2, it will be rotate to 180 degrees. So let's see one example. So I am taking the one video player. So here is that.
Hi guys.
Suppose this is the video player widget. So when I tap on this button, I am making that rotating to landscape mode. So here is it is coming like this. So if I again pressing back, again it is coming to the rotation previous state. So I hope you understood. Thank you.